Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Al Bayan. Today's video is about how to encourage the use of imagination and creative play in your special education classroom. So as you can see, there are a lot of Animal Works printables which I use in my classroom as distractors or reinforcements. And there are some very great benefits of Animal Works for the special needs kids especially. I have pasted them on the wall whenever I feel that the child is bored or we have to work on gross motor skills. I just point or I allow and give the choice to the child to point at one card, and then we start with that card to make some fun and creative learning inside the classroom. Or they can do it at home also. So let's begin with the first one, which is stand like a flamingo. This standing position helps develop the balance and coordination in the child. It addresses sensory needs and provides a lot of compression of sensory input to the joints and muscles. And the children can enjoy this video as well. So the second one is basically related to make a specific sound, trumpet like an elephant. So in this card, when the child will see this card, he or she needs to trumpet like an elephant or make a sound like an elephant. It's also creative and imaginative. Leap like a frog. This jump activates all of the most important muscle groups in the bodies of the kids, especially their core muscles, which they use to both jump and land at the same time. Fourth one is waddle like a penguin. Some of the animal walks may seem harder for the kids, but they can always be modified according to an appropriate level of the child if needed. This walk really helps regulate the sensory needs of the kids, and the children love to do the penguin walk. It helps develop the gross motor skills in the kids and develops the core strength as well. So enjoy this activity, enjoy the penguin walk with kids. Swinging like a monkey helps develop fine motor skills, grip strength, hand, arm and finger coordination, and it helps in development of balance as well. This one is useful when teaching sounds of animals. Shiver like a polar bear. This can be modified according to the level and appropriate age of the child, or you can modify it to a bear walk instead of shivering. Stretch like a giraffe. This can be used as a brain break or a physical break for the kids in between a task. Last but not the least, jump or move like an alligator. You can always modify according to the level of the child. This helps develop the compression and sensory input to the joints and muscles of the kids who have some motor skills issues. That's it for today. See you in the next video, inshallah.